Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am talking to you on the couch of my living room, and I'm going to teach you how to make something like this in Photoshop. So let's jump right into it. Starting off with our white background, we're going to go to Filter, Render, Clouds, then go back to Filter, Render, Difference Clouds. What I like to do after that is go to Filter, Blur, and add some Gaussian blur, about 5. And lastly, I like to go to Filter, Filter Gallery, select in the Stylize folder. I'm going to select the glowing edges and play around with these settings till you get something you kind of like. Press OK when you're happy with it. And finally, go to the Adjustments tab, click on Gradient Map, and just select a gradient map. I'll link my gradient packs down in the description below. I've got 2 free ones with 5 gradient maps each, and I've got some premium ones with 20 or 50 gradient maps. So definitely go check those out at the link. But yeah, that's basically it. Now you can play around with the settings if you want, but this is the main idea on how I make these. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye!